Well viewers, we've arrived in Hua Hin after a nightmare train ride, but we've only got ourselves to blame. We wanted to go budget and it was budget alright. Okay, this is where we're staying. We're staying in La Casita resort. It's actually condos, they're apartments to rent, and we've rented one for a whole week, and it's costing us $120 a night for 4 people. So this is the entrance to the resort for the condos. There's quite a lot of apartments here, I think over 258, if not more. Yeah, reception is just over there. We'll go in, a little bit of a browse. Cup. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the pool, and it goes to a big area right at the back. We'll go down there now. So accommodation is right up the top on the 8th floor. Balcony overlooks the pool, and I'll show you a view from there. So yeah, we're going to be here for 6 nights, 5 days, and explore Hua Hin and see what it's got to offer. So yeah, come in and join us. Morning. It's the 18th of July, Thursday morning. It's raining. Still pretty mild though, probably about 24 degrees at the moment. It's only about 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna go and have some breakfast. We're gonna have a savoury Thai dish for breakfast. I'm gonna go for mince pork omelette with rice, and yeah. And today I think will be probably a bit of a lazy day. Okay, Kim, what do we have?
We have jasmine rice and fried egg.
Yeah.
We call khao khai tiao. And this one, morning curry. In Thai they call pat pat boom. And this one is Chinese broth with oyster. They call pat pana naman hoi.
Yep.
That's it.
Well done.
Thai.
Let's eat. Poor old Nan, she's not feeling too good today, are you? Hey? What's wrong? Had a bit of the runs? There. Eat too much, that's your problem, isn't it? Isn't it? You got a mosquito on your forehead. Yes. Okay, yeah, we were walking down to the beach and the sun was out a little bit, and then all of a sudden the rain's come again, so yeah, we're on the beach, and yeah, hopefully the rain will pass, but in the meantime, Leo for breakfast. Yeah, Tin, what do we have here?
Oh, we got here, we got original papaya salad. In Thai, we call som tam Thai.
Som tam Thai.
Yeah. And this one just raw prawns.
Yep.
With chili paste, like
yep.
original spicy chili paste. In Thai, we call gung cha nam pa.
Gung chana ba. Okay. My mouth's on fire. Just ordered som tam Thai, and yeah, I'm getting there. I nearly finished it, but my mouth is definitely on fire.
You get in there.
Okay. I held on as long as I could.
Look at that!
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. Hope it's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but you're being.
Well, viewers, our stay in Hua Hin has come to an end. Tomorrow we take the bus to Bangkok to continue our adventure. Yeah, our stay here in Hua Hin was really good. The weather was not in our favour, but we did make the most of it. Spent a lot of time on the beach and yeah, had a good look around. You really need to give yourself a fair bit of time to see everything around Hua Hin, but we saw quite a fair bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, let the adventure continue. What the hell are you eating there, Nan?
Squid, man.
What is it?
That's squid, man. Dry squid.
Dried.
Fried.
Dried
Deep fried.
squid fried. Sad?
Really good. You want to try? Sad, no one.